Oh, I am back with another motherfucking video, motherfucker. So it's been a while since I made a video because I'm on vacation right now. I went back to Boston. It's my second week here. I'm staying here for a while, but I'm going back on, well, I'm not going to tell y'all when I go back, just for privacy purposes, but I am in Boston right now. I should have vlogged, but like I said, I don't like to vlog. I like to vlog, but I need a cameraman. Today, I was like, let me just put in, like, you know, a quick little video, because I haven't filmed in a while, so I was like, let me just make a quick, like, tutorial. I'm gonna make a tutorial. So today, us East Coast people, us Dominican and Puerto Rican people, we be eating that, what is it? Arrozo. Us Asian people up in this bitch, we swear we fucking Puerto Rican, Dominican, so we be making Spanish rice and shit. So we finna make fucking Spanish rice. So right now I'm not making it. My sister's making it because I don't know how to. She was in. Okay, so I was I was trying to get ready. I was like, oh, are we going somewhere? Can we go somewhere? She's like, no, I'm busy doing something. I'm like, bitch, you're busy fucking watching YouTube videos on how to make fucking Spanish rice. Okay, so now after watching a 10-minute video, she's attempting to make it. We went to the grocery store and now she's washing the rice. This is onions. This is, what is this shit? Kielbasa. She's putting kielbasa in it. And this is garlic. I know most of my subscribers are like loud people, I guess, but if y'all wanna tag a Puerto Rican friend or a Dominican friend, tag them in this video and, you know, tell them, ask them how it did. She got oil warming up on the stove. It is on. Oh shit, this is that stuff. We gotta back the fuck up with this shit. This is the fire.
You shouldn't have to use this knife.
We gotta use the kiwi knife and shit. Who else is from the East Coast? Comment down below if you're from the East Coast. But y'all know how the East Coast is. We have all these Spanish people here, and everybody swears it's Spanish. But we still be listening to reggaeton in the car and shit. Listening to fucking reggae and dance hall, acting like we fucking Puerto Rican. Everybody swears they're Puerto Rican. There's like a difference between different rice though, because they have like Puerto Rican rice and we have Dominican rice. Because Dominican people cook it more in like yellow, like orange. Like who thinks about this? Like they just wake up in the morning just like, I want to try and make
I've been
Spanish
wanting to
rice.
use this like all week. That's me. But I just like.
She been wanting to make Spanish rice when she could go to Los Amigos, get a $5 plate, right quick. So usually, I watch videos too, and a lot of people, they don't wash the rice. But, you know, Asian people, we wash our rice because that's fucking gross if you don't.
Straight from the crop.
I know, it's straight from the crop. Like, Puerto Rican people, they don't give a shit. So, what have I been up to? Life, really. I've been going out a lot. If y'all have followed me on Snapchat. If you haven't followed me on Snapchat, it's right there. But I, like, don't really drink when I'm in California. So, when I came to Boston, I've been drinking a lot. Because everyone just keeps taking me out to go drink, take me out to go eat, as if I have fucking money to do anything. Kind of cooling down a little bit, because I'm going home soon, like in a few days actually, but it's like, I'm tired now. I'm like, ugh. So I'm going back to California. I'm planning to find a new apartment soon. I'm trying to. Oh yeah, I did buy more Lush stuff. I went to Lush and I bought some stuff from Lush. And then I got the herbalism thing. I made a video about this. I always use this one. I was looking for Bustinol, but didn't have it. And then I took this from somebody. I didn't buy it, but I took it. And then I got some samples here and there. Wait, don't put anything in it yet, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Alright, so we got the sofritos. Sofrito. She got the frozen one. Because, you know, we don't even know how to make that shit, so.
And I also have this one, but I'm just going to use the frozen one.
She's going to use, because the video said to use the frozen one. So she wants to use the frozen one. She don't want to fuck it up. She want to do it how they said to do it. She even measured the rice. She fucking actually measured the rice like 2 cup, 1 cup. She's using pink beans, the sofritos. We use Goya, because all Goya in the tomato sauce. Girl, we went to the fucking grocery store, right? And we were looking for tomato paste. And I was like looking at the Hunt one. I was like, oh, just get this one. And she's like, no, it's not Goya. I don't want to get that one. I'm like, bitch, it's the same fucking shit.
Yeah, but they taste different.
They taste different, but it's like the same difference. It's like Pepsi and Coke.
Onion.
So she put in the onions with the pasta. I think you're supposed to dice them up, right?
Well, oh well.
Like the small pieces. Cause now there's gonna be like big ass strings of onions in
Who
your
cares?
rice. Alright, so she's put in the sofritos. She put like I don't know, like 3 scoops.
Because I heard this one, the one in the container, is not that much flavor, so I'm just gonna put.
Yeah, so I guess the one in the frozen is not that much flavor because it's frozen. But she don't want to use the fresh one. And then now we're gonna put sazon. Sazon. So basically, when you make rice, I guess you're supposed to make the sauce first, and then they make the sauce first in the pot, and then throw the rice in. Like with us Asian people, we make rice first and then throw seasoning in. So
Well, Asian rice.
yeah, Asian rice we don't put
We just
seasoning in
eat
it.
right rice with, because
Yeah.
our food is flavored already.
Yeah, our food is flavored already. Sazon, onions, sofritos, and
What's been in this?
and you gotta put that what is that shit called? What is it? Adobo shit. Fuck, I forgot. Motherfucker. I told her to get tomato paste, but she wanted to get tomato sauce.
Well, there was no Goya tomato paste.
If y'all wondering what she looks like that. Ugly as fuck. So did you throw it in did you drain it out?
I just did.
Oh, so she put the beans in, but she took all the water out of the beans. I mean, you're supposed to leave it in, but I don't like the water
Some
either.
people don't.
Because I just don't like the water. I feel like this is nasty. Cause it's just been sitting in that water for so long. It's just gross, you know what I mean? Nobody wants like fucking bean juice. Ew, you wanna know something fucking so gross? When we went out to go drink, do you like pickles? Cause I fucking hate pickles.
Oh.
So we fucking went to go drink, right, at the Lawrence. Actually, bitch, I'm gonna say her fucking name anyway. Fucking Serena's nasty self. She fucking took a shot, and she was fucking chasing it with fucking pickle juice. That's fucking gross. I was like, you're fucking nasty.
I like pickles, but I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, that's fucking nasty. So we had the tomato sauce. She's pouring 1 whole can of tomato sauce. People use tomato paste because tomato sauce is too much water. So tomato paste makes it like a little more dry. Yeah, it's like that. Like Spanish rice is dry. Like in Asian rice is like more like watery, moist. Huh?
This is all.
I mean, just throw it in and then just like see if it'll work.
Well, looks can be just using a little, can be a lot. So.
I know.
Because I remember I tried to make baba and I put too much rice. I thought it was only a little bit, and I was like, damn.
Yeah, I
what the
did
fuck?
that shit because it like when you cook it, it like rises.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they said when you have to know exactly when
Yeah,
it's
I
done
know.
because they said not to open it
Yeah, like 15 minutes goes.
because it's gonna like
It'll ruin the rice.
it ruin the rice if you keep opening it. I watched like 5 different people make it.
I was just trying to see which one was the easiest.
And you put garlic. I know that ass, right? When you like want to cook something and then
What the fuck is that? Like,
yeah.
Why are you
Like,
making it so complicated?
Like I know for a damn fact they don't put that much shit in it. I was like, let me just find a simple one. What are you gonna? First of all, you're making this rice. What are you gonna eat the rice with? Negro, she's fucking making fucking rice and didn't even cook anything to make it. We're just gonna
Well,
eat fucking spinach
The
rice
rice
for
is
dinner.
gonna take long to cook anyways.
Now she's pouring in the rice. How much rice did you
Man, that
use?
looks like a lot. I don't know.
Let's just say just like 3.5
3
cups.
cups.
3 cups of rice. Just kidding. I don't know what he's doing now. Like it's like... Oh, that looks like enough.
Yeah, because it just looked like not enough rice because the chicken piece.
Oh, yeah. You mix so slow. You gotta like...
Well, bitch,
stir
I don't
it
want
and
to
make
hold
it.
it.
I know, them handles be hot as shit.
I forgot to taste it.
Oops.
It tastes nasty, sorry.
You're making like Dominican people rice.
I like it yellow.
Yeah. How much water is that? She put a bowl of rice in a bowl of water. When niggas losing. when niggas losing Fortnite. Yo, do y'all hear this Fortnite drama and shit? Do you hear? Do you listen? I wish I played Fortnite, but I don't have a fucking TV, so. I thought to myself, no, that ass. I was telling myself, damn, I should buy myself a fucking PS. I was like, I should buy myself a PS4. But I was like, wait a minute. I buy myself a PS4. My ass don't even got a fucking TV to play it on, motherfucker. For some reason, I feel like this is not enough water.
Cover it for like 20 minutes. Then stir it. Cover it again.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you don't want the rice to stick to the bottom. So you have to stir it. When the water absorbs, it's gonna become more salty. And y'all don't know about this. Goya, if y'all watching this, please fucking sponsor me.
You know when I
would
told the lady
sponsor
put
Goya.
like some salt in it? She goes, you want to just put, if you need some salt, you just want to put some salt.
No, don't
she
put
put
salt.
like a fucking,
Are you putting
it was
salt
like
in
that
it?
big.
Are you
And
putting
she put
salt?
it twice. I'm putting a little bit.
You know what Debbie taught me?
Not
Because
to
she's
put
Puerto
salt.
Rican. She said not to put salt if you use adobo. Because
Because it's salty.
the adobos are
Well,
salty.
I didn't say I was going to put salt in there.
Because salt has a different taste than adobo. So that it looks like fucking spaghetti. Oh shit, nigga. You gonna set the timer too and everything. Set the timer for how much?
Some people said 15, some said 20.
15 minutes?
Should I just do
20.
20?
Just in case.
First time.
20 minutes just for the first time. So we're gonna let that cover. I'm gonna take a shower and take a shit. Hopefully it's done by the time I'm done. So.
It's not gonna be done.
Oh yeah, because we have to mix it and stuff. I still look like an ugly ass motherfucker, but I don't give a shit. I'm not going nowhere. So we are gonna reveal the rice right now. See what is going on. Bitch, what the fuck is this?
Damon ruined it.
This shit looks like some goddamn mashed potatoes.
You're telling me to add more water?
fuck? Bro, you can't even see the rice. What are you gonna do with it now?
I'm still gonna eat it.
You gonna redo it? Bro, look at this shit. This shit is fucking like...
That's Damon's fault.
Is it mushy? Like...
Yes. Damon told me to add more water, so it's his fault.
This shit is like soup. Bitch, might as well just make babao with it. Let's make fucking Spanish rice soup. I think it was already a lot of water, actually. No, you know why?
So why'd you tell me to add more?
No, because you used tomato sauce. This shit is mashed potatoes.
It would have been alright if I just
It would-
never added more water.
It would have been all right. You should have asked the rice. You know, Nate makes rice good, actually.
Babe, where did you put his backpack?
When do you ask him? Is he scared of him?
So you're gonna bake it or what?
I don't know how to fucking fix that shit. I don't even think it's fixable. The rice is already breaking apart. That's just like mushy as fuck. I don't think there's no turning back with that. That's like saying you're gonna make mashed potatoes and put it back as a potato. Fuck that shit. Anybody got tips on how to make better Spanish rice if y'all watching this?
Not listen to Damon.
Tell us. Make sure to follow me on social media. Subscribe to my channel. I'm probably not going to be posting a video for a while. I don't know yet. It depends on my mood when I get back to Cali. I get back to Cali in like 4 days. So I might film a video on Saturday. Yeah, we're going to enjoy this Spanish mashed potatoes.